talking about the C2G USB-C 9-in-1 dual display docking station. Grant, can you talk about this great docking station from Legrand?
Thanks, Vanessa. The USB-C 9-in-1 dual display docking station includes every port you could ever need, including HDMI, Ethernet, USB-A, 3.5mm audio, and power delivery. It can connect to any USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 enabled laptop, a perfect device for a desktop solution. The docking station supports connected devices such as keyboards, mice, portable hard drives, and other peripherals, all while supporting up to 60 watts of power delivery. With 2 video display outputs, this docking station can simultaneously split content into 2 displays while supporting resolutions up to 1080p. If you need some extra resolution, connect a single display which can support resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz. 3 USB-A ports support 5 gigabits per second, 3.0 data transfer speeds, and the remaining 2 support 480 megabits per second, 2.0 data transfer speeds.
Thanks, Grant. If you need a place to rest your weary laptop while working on a desk, look no further than the C2G USB-C 9-in-1 dual display docking station. For more information, please reach out to us at sales@mvcc.ca or visit our website at www.mvcc.ca. Thanks for watching.